Oh, hey, good morning, bro.
Hey, good morning. How's it going?
Pretty good, staying busy. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah. Oh my God, good thing I didn't know.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch for the cords. Watch for the cords, man.
Solution to fixing these problems. And if only the cords were in the air and not the ground.
Oh, well, they are in the air.
Did we do something for that? Alright guys, all joking aside, this actually is a real problem for tinners. If you're a tinner or maybe a detailer, you know how annoying it can be when cables are below you on the ground and basically you run them over. We've tried the reel, literally we have a reel like way up there, it's stuck, never worked. 5 years later, we need to get a ladder to get it down. And I kind of just gave up on the hope of that one day heat guns would be nice to work with, or extension cords will be easy to work with. So I just saw a video on Instagram the other day and I told my handy guy, could this work in our warehouse? And he told me yes. So I'll link that guy's video here because that was the concept for this design. And as you can see behind me, let me just show you how it works real quick. So I know it looks kind of ugly. We still got to like run it across the walls and paint them, but this is how the system works. Essentially, you grab the heat gun, you run it across, and now it is out of the way and it hangs right here. This one's still needs to go lower. And then when you need it for, let's say, a driver or right window, you bring it here, you have it here, you put it to the side, and it is out of the way. Now, of course, you want to be careful when you don't want it to swing, but you just put it in a safe distance from the car. Now, I no longer need cables on the ground, which makes my job much easier. So continue watching this video if you want to see what you guys need to do in order to achieve the same outcome.
Okay, let's go over the supplies we're gonna need for this job. First, we're gonna need zip ties. Potentially, we're gonna need anchors if you don't have something to drill into. We're gonna need these to basically hold on to the wire. This right here to secure the heat gun to the electrical cord. Here, the masonry 1/4-inch coaxial staples. This is to organize the cables on the wall when we mount it. This is to basically use to attach the wire to the heat gun cable or the extension cord. Then we need tighteners, 1/4-inch by 4 by 5 1/4-inch hook and eye turnbuckles. And then these right here, these are the 1/16-inch furlies. This is to attach, which all this will make sense as you watch. And of course, extension and a heat gun. We're gonna be doing 6 today. So, well, we already did 2, but we're doing 1 for the front of the vehicle, 1 for the middle of the vehicle, and a 3rd one for the back of the vehicle. This is with a middle vehicle right here. So that's kind of what we're doing so we can have our heat gun nice and comfortable. We don't have to be dealing with this heat gun cable on the ground. So much better. All right, so here was our first attempt last week. Basically, as you can see here, you attach to the wall, then you have the tightener, then you have a little extension cable. And what you want to do is now we can essentially bring this cable like this with not much resistance. Now, of course, this was our first version, so that cable will be organized, and then we want the heat gun to be about this high, right around your waist. So that way when you put it back, it's not dragging on the ground. So now we're gonna fix that with the other 2.
All right, guys, so we are at the last step of this build or this upgrade in our shop. The right customer for this is someone that's tired of the heat gun being on the ground and you don't want to spend a ton of money on reels, because some of these expensive reels, like $100, $200, $300, and you mount them to the side and you have to pull it and they could snap back. So this is what we have so far, and it's really, really good. I like it. We've adjusted to where basically it's almost to the ground. It's hanging just shy of like maybe 6 inches. So we could even adjust it a little bit more. But let's say I want to work on the car. I just bring this over here. I heat the side window. I still have access to heat this window. And you can put it on your cart, or let's say you're not using it and you don't want to put it on your cart, you have it right here. You still have plenty of room to work. So this is a really good way to be more efficient in your shop. And we're installing it in November right now. It's November 2nd. So we're gonna be testing it out over the next few months, getting ready for the summer, and try to find the most optimal way of working on cars, right? Because now we're not doing 1 or 2 cars. In the summertime, we're gonna be doing 6, 8, 10 cars on a Saturday or a Friday. So our goal is to be as fast as possible, and also make sure that our tools aren't getting in the way. We have expensive equipment that we don't want to trip over or destroy, like a camera. So that's it, guys. So if you've gotten value from this video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and if you could just help me out, just gently smash the like button as hard as you guys can, or just gently tap on it. All right, I don't know if that made sense. Just go like the video. It helps with the algorithm. Subscribe, comment again. And if you guys are interested in our products, don't forget to find us at rpwindowfilms.com. We sell carbon window tint, ceramic window tint, detail supplies, and pretty soon we're gonna have a CRM software called RPFILMS Bolt that you guys will be able to use in your shop. But all the links will be down below. I hope to see you guys in the next video.